Hello world, how are you? Welcome back to my another content. In this content, I'm gonna be sharing with you and the topic name is a 100 website to make money online. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you'll be able to see my all content even while I'm published my every single content into my channel. And I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your make money online journey. So don't waste your time because time is very valuable for us, you and me. So number one is freelancing and gigs. Number one website is Upwork, freelance marketplace. Number two is Fiverr, sales services like graphics and writing, etc. Freelancer, freelance job platform, people per hour like freelance project. Number five is Topal, premium freelancer. Number six is Guru, freelancer platform. Number seven is Onder, research and help gig. And number eight is Tax Habit. This is called tax and around. And number nine is Just Answer. Number 10 is Responded, market research interview. Number 10 is people per hour, freelance work. Number 11 is number 12 is asked under like paid research tax. And this part is for surveys, microtax and GPT size. Number 13 is Formbox, earn point for tax. Number 14 is Inbox dollar, like surveys, videos and tax. Number 15 is Fcash, like GPT tax and rewards. Number 16 is My Point, shop and survey reward. Number 17 is Timebox, like videos, polls and tax. Number 18 is Click Worker, like Microsoft. Number 19 is Hive Micro, like small tax. Number 20 is Skybin, like transcription gig. Number 21 is Amazon Mechanical Turk, like micro tax. Number 22 is Swag IQ, like travel and wise earning. Number 23 is Prolific, like academic service. Number 9, and this part is writing content creative, like Medium partner program, earn per read, list words, paid list writing, vocal media, paid creative post and text booker, write content, hire writer like writing jobs, and constant content like sell article, and review.com like transcription, caption, and content like plans and content. And this part is sales, product and physical and digital, like it's sale, handmade, digital trumps. 33 is eBay online marketplace. 34 is Amazon seller, product selling. 35 is Redbubble print on demand earning. 36 is T public mark earning. 37 is Shopify, build your store. 38 Gumroad, sell digital product. 39 Teachable, sell online courses. 40 Udemy, like publish paid courses. And this portion is passive and affiliate income, like share sell, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, digital product affiliate, CG affiliate, like affiliate network, Amazon associate, like Amazon affiliate, and Hackathon advertising, like affiliate earning, AdSense, like website and revenue, and Mediavine, like blog monetization. And 48 is ad survey, like premium ad revenue. And this part is photos, videos and creative market, like pop sell photos and mission. 50 is snap while, like paid photo mission. 51 Shutterstock, contributor is stock photo earning. 52 is Adobe Stock. 53 is Pond 5, sell media assist. 54 is user testing like test website or apps, and 55 is user lights like UX testing, and 56 is try MUI like website testing, and 57 is validately paid testing, 58 data family app tester, 59 cashback and reward like Agetum.com cashback on shopping, Honey cashback and deals, 61 is Agota like Gosarian online cashback, 62 is Dosh like auto cashback, 63 is face reward receipt reward, and renting and sharing economy like 64 Airbnb rent space, Taro rent your car, Fred Lalma rent gear, and Spin list like bike and equipment rent. And this portion is remote job and long term work like remote remote job board, we work remotely, remote rules, flex job like remote and flexible jobs, Indeed remote job listing, and LinkedIn job like remote opportunities. 73 is Teespring like small march, Atron membership income, Ko-Fi like donation on tips, OnlyFans creator earning, Skillshare teaching and royalties, Twice streaming income. 79 is YouTube partner program, ad earning, Substack is paid newsletter, more income, website is Survey Zanki like paid surveys, opinion outpost like surveys, headline surveys like reward surveys, and Tulona survey rewards, Pinecoin like paid research, Life Point surveys, Pies Rebel reward tax, reward XP, quick reward, inbox base, tax and surveys, tax box like offer and reward, Gango right translating zone, and translate.com like paid translating, Cambly English tutor, people online online tutoring, tutor.com tutor student, it's a studio like craft supplying selling, creative markets like sell your digital assets, and Bandcamp sell music, and TSLab reward diving. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. In this content I am sharing my 1000 plus earning website. That website will help you earn money from online without any kind of investment. So see you soon with another content. This is time for bye.